Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Today, coming at you with a line of product we've had at the store for a while, but are now making a video all about it. Holy cow. So this is a brand that gets its name, as the owner Sri told us, because he would be giving out the soaps and samples and aftershaves to his friends and people in the neighborhood and relatives, and everyone kept on having the same expression, holy cow, this is good. And so he had to come up with kind of a clever way to spell it because of the domain name, but that's kind of the origin of the name. And I had an opportunity to use this myself just a few minutes ago on another shave we just completed filming, and I was also very blown away by the high quality. And that's kind of the whole essence of the brand. It's what's behind the brand. The why of the brand is the high quality ingredients, the attention to the detail with all the different fragrances, using products that don't have chemicals, don't have additives, aren't tested on animals, highest quality of products that he puts together, and also unique things. I think he started a trend with this donkey milk thing, and when I first saw it, and I was just like, what, donkey milk? What are people going to think of next? You know, are we going to have cat milk shaving soap? But all things being serious here, it is actually something that I guess even Cleopatra had used and used to bathe in, and it is something that is very similar to human skin, human ability to break down the proteins. It's really good on our skin. It's absorbed easily. It has a plethora of benefits, vitamins, vitamin B5, B6. It has phosphorus, magnesium. It is really, really good for nourishing your skin, and has proteins. It helps to keep the vitality of your skin. And I think that's another big element that Sri, the owner, really seems to push with his product here and really seems to embody, is he's not just concerned about you getting a good quality shave. I mean, obviously that's the objective, but there seems to be a really big focus on the quality of your skin and the health of your skin and the vitality and keeping you looking your best. So the first scent here I want to start with is Jamestown Gentleman. And this features a bunch of the awesome butters, the coconut butter, donkey milk, all that. But in terms of the notes, it has a tobacco leaf, it has the flowery, powdery notes, bergamot, lavender, neroli, musk, amber. This is a really pleasant scent, and I was able to use this earlier, and it just smells terrific. Really clean, really light, real masculine. The next one up is Fougere Bouquet, and it has main notes of oak moss, lavender, bergamot, secondary notes of sandalwood, cedar, and other woody notes. Next up is Man from Mayfair, and this is actually a tribute to kind of the Westminster side of London. It's their barbershop scent, more or less, and it has notes of bergamot, basil, lavender, sandalwood, patchouli, oak moss, and a blend of musk. Next up is King of Bourbon, and this has notes of tobacco, bourbon vanilla from Madagascar, ginger, vetiver. It has a really kind of woody, earthy note to it. It's really nice. Sandhurst is named after a Royal Military Academy in England, and it has notes of ginger, tobacco, plum, clove, tonka bean, cedarwood, vetiver, benzoin, and vanilla. There's also hops extract, which is really, really good for anti-inflammatory and anti-aging elements for your skin. Merchant of Tobacco obviously has tobacco notes, bourbon, oud, black pepper, vanilla, Peru balsam, honey, bitter cocoa, and kind of an overall pipe tobacco scent, warm, woody notes. It's aromatic, it's kind of a little bit musty. It's really nice, really sweet. And last we have the Fougere Mania. This has neroli with lavender, amber, oak moss, coumarin, tonka bean, musk. It's got a strong, scent to it. If you really like that Fougere, this is where it's at. Well, no matter which one you choose, I think you can't go wrong. Holy Cow has some amazing scents. It's great for your skin, and it's a very unique brand. I'm happy to have it here at Razor Emporium. And if you haven't already done so, check it out. If you have used it before, Which one do you like? Which flavor is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you do leave a comment, you're entered to win this, the official Razor Emporium black and blue t-shirt. That's all I got for you guys today. Please share this video, like it, and we will see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.